Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of the karaoke animation text in CapCut PC. I'm just going to leave it like that, but you can obviously change it with any lyric that you want. Then I'm going to adjust the text a little bit, the duration. Go to animation and select in, and you're going to find the karaoke animation, which is this one. Also, again, increase the duration of the karaoke text animation. There we go. Once you're done, right click, create compound clip. Then you're going to go to adjustments. You're going to turn down the saturation, up the brightness, just leave the contrast alone. Turn up the highlights and turn up shadow. Go to media, go to library, go to background, or you can also add in some patterns if you'd like to. Like this, for instance. Edit on top, go to video, go to blend mode and select overlay. Can't really see it, so I'm just going to scale it down a little. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!